Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alejandra, also known as AZAlexGlam on Instagram. I'll make sure to leave all my social media handles down below so you can check them out. Today I created this super sexy Valentine's Day makeup look. I even added in the contacts just to make it that much more dramatic. Let me know what you think down below of these contacts. I personally think that they look stunning. And in today's video, I used the Too Faced White Peach palette, which was gifted to me by one of my lovely clients. And I am seriously so blessed. Thank you so much for your support, not just to my clients, but to all of my subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you all. And if you want to see how I created this super sexy Valentine's Day makeup look, which you can obviously wear any day of the week, it doesn't have to be just Valentine's Day, then I got you. Just keep on watching. To start off this look, I'm applying Peach Sorbet from Too Faced White Peach palette with the Sigma E40 Fluffy Blending Brush. This brush is perfect for your transition shade because it is fluffy, so it won't pack on too much product and it will blend out your color effortlessly. To deepen up my crease, I used Peach Suede and Sweet Fig. I love the undertones in these two shades. They are perfect for Valentine's Day. For this, I used Sigma's E35 brush, also fluffy, to make sure my look is nice and blended. Next, to add a smoky effect to my eye look, I'm taking On the Grill eyeshadow and just concentrating it on the outer corner with a small pencil brush. As you can see here, I'm dragging that darker color outwards to create more of a cat-like effect because that was the look that I was going for. For darker colors like these, I suggest you start with a little and apply more as you go to get the desired intensity, like I did here. I used my Sigma E25 brush to blend the On the Grill eyeshadow and also used it to apply some more. I even went ahead and grabbed my E35 brush again to further blend that darker color with the lighter ones. For my eyelid, I sprayed my brush with MAC Fix Plus to avoid any fallout and dipped it into glistening peach and applied that all over my eyelid. I used a Sigma E56 shader lid brush for this step. I thought this peachy pink shade with shimmer was stunning for this eye look. And sorry if my lighting is not that great, I was filming at nighttime and I'm still trying to get used to the whole lighting setup. Then I grabbed Sweet Fig and Peach Sorbet again to add some more color to this look and also blended it with my biggest blending brush, the E40. As you can tell, I love this brush so much. When I thought my eye look was blended well, I applied Peach Ice on my inner corner and brow bone to bring light to those areas. I applied liner, lashes, and mascara off camera. I used the Dragon Lee lashes by New Balance, which are so dramatic. Now for the lower lash line, I blended Peach Sorbet with the small tapered blending brush. I'm so sorry this next part is blurry, but here I'm using the On The Girl eyeshadow with Sigma short shader brush to add some depth to my lower lash line. After that, I'm grabbing Peach Suede and Sweet Fig with a pencil brush to blend that out. Basically, I used the same shades I used at the top on the bottom minus the eyelid shade. For my lashes, I used Benefit's They're Real Mascara. And to finish off the eyes, I am tightlining my eye with Urban Decay's eye pencil. You can always use a lighter color, but I love black. It makes my eyes pop and it's perfect for a night out. For my lips, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette and mixed these shades to create this lip color right here. So that completes this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one.